It's a very novel idea, very fresh and very much required in today's work environment because you need a platform to go out and discuss and ideas and see what are the new thoughts coming around. So I think it's a great idea. Innovation is happening every day. And in my opinion, a lot of innovation is happening because of the new materials which are coming into the industry. The position in which the country is right now, I think it's a perfect theme because everything in this country is going to change from what it has been, and that will happen only through innovation. And this innovation is again directly related to materials and new concepts, new properties of materials, all those things. So I think it's a perfect time to have this theme. Since a lot of the working is happening while we are traveling, we can check on materials anywhere we want. We can get information, data, costings, availability, lead time, in how much time it will be available. So all that if we can get on the click of a button, I think it's great. Otherwise we end up wasting valuable time, meeting the vendor and fixing a time, and all that process is totally bypassed, with this portal like this. I think it will be very interesting just to see how these different mindsets all across the country, from different cultures, different constraints, different cities, states, languages, how they blend together, and really what happens. I think it will be very nice. Of course, first I would just say keep innovating every time. Whenever you design something, again it's my personal approach towards design. Make sure that you don't waste resource or waste material. Don't over design.